I just filmed my entire intro and there was red lipstick on my teeth the entire time. So that's pretty cool. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all having an amazing week so far. I'm trying to get into the Christmas spirit. This is my favorite time of the year, and especially now more than ever before because my daughter is 3.5 years old. So this is our first year of her getting to know who Santa is, and I gotta bring the elf on the shelf out, and you know, just getting to experience Christmas when you have kids, especially little kids, just like brings the magic and the spirit of Christmas like back into my life. I don't know about you guys, but when I was in my early 20s, going to college and traveling and having fun and all that, it kind of just like isn't the same around holidays anymore, you know? Like it like there's something missing. But being a mom and having my daughter now, it's just so much fun. It has brought the spirit and magic of Christmas back into my life, and I'm super grateful for that. If you don't know who I am, hi, hello, my name is Janessa, and I like to do nail tutorials here on my channel. I post 2 to 3 videos on here every week, one of those being my True Crime Tuesday series, where I talk about a crazy true crime case and I do a set of nails for you guys at the same time. And my other videos being kind of like today's vibe. So if that sounds like something that you're into, then please consider hitting that subscribe button down below. And while you're down there, please hit the like button. It helps boost the algorithm and pushes this video out to as many people as possible. I also want to give a quick shout out and thank you so much to hitting 1,500 subscribers. That was another goal of mine here on my channel. So a big thank you to my past subscribers and another big thank you to my new subscribers. You guys have no idea how much that means to me. I wouldn't be doing these videos if it wasn't for the motivation and the love from all of you guys. So again, thank you so much, and it's been so much fun creating this little family that we have here on my channel. So for today's nails, the company Ohuhu sent me their 12 color polygel nail kit. I reviewed their 18 color kit as well, and so if you didn't check that, I will link that here in the card so you can watch that as well. But I'm super excited to review this. On my last video, I asked you guys for suggestions or videos you guys would like to see from me, and someone was like, I want Christmas nails with bling. And I was like, I got you, girl. But the thing is, I don't really have any Christmas nail art. Like I don't have any stickers, I don't have any foils, I don't really have anything Christmas. So I'm going to attempt to do Christmas nails today without any Christmas nail art. If that makes sense. I'm going to unbox this kit and use it in today's tutorial. And then they also sent me this really cute and big UV LED nail lamp or nail dryer. And look how cute, it has like teal on it and stuff. So I'm going to be using this today as well. If you would like to chit chat with me and watch me do some nails, then please keep watching. Bye. So thank you to Ohuhu for collaborating with me and sponsoring this polygel kit. I don't have a coupon code for you guys or anything like that, but I believe you can get it on Amazon if you'd like to. So here we have the instruction manual. On the back it has all the color swatches, so you guys can check those out. And then you guys can pause the instructions if you have any questions about polygel. These instructions were really helpful about like the removal process and everything like that. So I'm going to flip it around, and the first thing we have is a 30 ml tube of slip solution. Then we're going to have dual forms. If you have bigger nails or bigger thumbs and you have a hard time finding dual forms that fit, I would highly suggest these because they were really good size. Then we have a little cuticle nipper, which is so cool. Their 18 kit comes with this too. And then some fingernail clippers, which are super nice and sturdy. Then we have a cuticle pusher and a 100-180 grit nail file, and then the standard nail brush and spatula. Next we have a base coat and glossy top coat. I love the bottles, they're so nice and sturdy. And then we have these 2 glitters. I love like the consistency of it. It's like silky almost. I don't know how to explain it. And then these 2 other colors as well, perfect for like winter time. And then all of the swatches. So this kit also came with the dryer, the nail dryer. Well, actually, I'm not sure if this kit comes with it, but they sent me this as well. So their dryer, like, look how it comes with this other stuff in it. So we have like some toe separators, some cuticle stuff for your toes, and then also some of the, you know, fingernail clipper, like the nail clipper or whatever. Love that it comes with that. And then this lamp has the normal outage that I think every polygel kit pretty much has. One of the things I loved about it was the self timer. So you put your hand in, it automatically lights up. And then when you took your hand out, the timer stopped at whatever number it was at. And then when you put your hand back in, it like kept going and it just like kept track of where you were. So I thought that was so cool. So here is my nail prep. I'm keeping it in the tutorial for you guys. This is the same nail prep I do for any method that I end up doing. I first start off by pushing all my cuticles back, and then I cut down my fingernails, and then I like to take my e-file and remove all of the dead skin and that cuticle, get it off there. It prevents lifting. And then after that, I take my nail dehydrator. This one's like gone. Get all the dust and oils off your nails, and then I'm going to be using the Young Nails Protein Bond. I heard this stuff's awesome. If you guys have any lifting problems, I think this is a huge part of it, is this Young Nails Protein Bond. The owner of Young Nails says to prevent lifting, do one coat on each nail and then let it completely dry.
Little longer than a few minutes later.
After the first layer is dry, apply a second layer, and I've seen tons of girls say that that product is their holy grail. And then I'm going to apply a nice even layer of base coat to all of my nails. I'm going to be doing the LazyGirl method today, and this method is supposedly created by FEMIBEAUTY. I have to just get that out of the way so that some of you trolls don't go on my channel and comment that I need to give her credit, even though I've given her credit in like 6 or 7 of my previous videos. Anyways, if you're having trouble with the LazyGirl method, one thing you can do that one of my subscribers even mentioned is getting a file and scratching some scratches into your base coat, and that will help your nails stick on to your nails better. And grab whatever nails you want. I'm going to be using these full coffin ones I got off AliExpress, and if they don't fit your nail properly, then you can file the edges and just make sure, you know, you get a custom perfect fit that will also help with them popping off and lifting as well. And then once you have all of that done, we are going to do the next step. So if you're also having trouble, you can etch the inside of the full cover nail, and that will help the polygel from, you know, coming apart off of the tip. So if you use Macart base coat to put these on, that's going to be another reason these pop off. The Chiara Sky Builder Gel or the Burano 3-in-1 or anything like that, like a little bit more of a thicker viscosity is going to keep the nail on better. The Macart base coat, I've learned, it just pops the nails right off. So I absolutely love the Chiara Sky lamp for this method. You guys see me use it all the time. And then the little Jelly Nails flashy lamps, also good too. So the two polygels I'm using are the white one from the 12 kit and the blue one from the 18 kit. And you guys saw in the 12 kit how that blue glitter came. Well, it's actually like the same exact one in the 18 kit, but it's a polygel in the 18 kit. So I'm just going to be using that and the Beetles slip solution. And whenever you do this method, make sure that you put the nails, especially if they're gel nails, away from the lamp, because if you cure your, like if I went to cure this on my nail and the other nails were by the lamp, they would cure them as well, and they like get smaller and stuff. So just a heads up. But look how beautiful this color is. So as I was saying earlier, this color came in their 12 polygel kit. I mean, no, sorry, it came in their 18 polygel kit as the actual polygel color. And then the 12 kit came with that blue glitter. And so I was like, oh my gosh, I was gonna do that glitter anyway. I tried for a long time to get inspired to do some Christmas nails. I searched and searched for nails to get inspired, and I just couldn't find any. So I ordered some Christmas like stuff, and then I just did some winter nails today. So the LazyGirl method is super easy. I've done the last couple videos on it. I'll switch it up in my next video. But you know, just try not to make it too complicated. You should feel a little bit of suction cupping to your nail when you apply these nails. You know, you feel like a suction cup almost when they start to cure. So you can size up, you can size, you know, keep the same size, just see what works for you. I usually keep the same size actually. That seems to just work fine for me. I don't press too hard, and you know, I do the little flash cure, and then I put it in the normal lamp and give it like a really good cure after. And when you're doing the LazyGirl method, you guys, if you've ever done it before, you might notice that sometimes the color like falls down off the sides, and so it was nice I had this glitter because I could just put it on the edges of the nail and it, you know, it was perfect. On this nail, I wanted to have a little bit of that silver glitter, so I'm putting some base coat there just in the spot where I want the glitter, and then I'm going to apply that wherever I want it. You could do this on the full nail. You just would put the base coat on the entire nail, and then after you have it where you want it, you're going to give that a little flash cure so that when you go and lay your polygel, your decoration that you worked so hard on doesn't move around and slip your decoration, because trust me, it's happened to me many times. I've heard some of you guys say that whenever you use white polygel, you have a hard time with it curing, and this polygel, I noticed that when I was done with my nails, I could tell the white wasn't all the way cured. So I literally put my hand like upside down in the lamp for a good minute, and it's completely 100% cured. I think that just the white needs extra cure time. And I don't know if you know this, but sometimes your lamp that you have, like some of the lights in it can go dull, or they can go out. So if you've had your lamp for a long time, check the inside and make sure that none of your light bulbs are going dull or anything like that, because that of course could you know, affect the LazyGirl method, or just affect your nails in general if they're not getting a full cure. So if you heard me mention earlier, I've had a couple of girls that aren't even subscribed to me but felt the need to come on my videos and get mad at me for not crediting FEMIBEAUTY on this method. One of them literally said, if you need help on this method so bad, then just go to the person who created it, FEMIBEAUTY. She has a whole playlist on it. And I wanted to say, like, if people didn't need more help on it, then they wouldn't ask for help. Like, obviously she's not covering certain things in her video that people aren't, like, you know, people are watching her stuff and not understanding. And I have subscribers that said they don't even know who she was. So I don't feel the need to credit someone over and over and over for the same method that I'm doing over and over and over. It's just not gonna happen. So if you're gonna bully me, I'm gonna block you. Just a little FYI, I'm not gonna have that here at this place, because we are love and joy here. So after you have all the nails cured, you got to wipe off the sticky layer, and then I'm going to cure them. I mean, I'm going to file them. It's okay if some of the polygel squeezes out on your cuticles, because I always just file that right off. It doesn't bug me at all. And then after that, I'm going to buff the shiny layer off. I don't think this is like necessary, but I do it anyway. I just feel like when I don't know, I just feel like I need to do this. So this is what it looks like when they are all buffed, and I'm going to put a base coat on all of the nails. You guys will see on my pointer finger, I wanted a little bit more of that silver glitter where I put it, and so I put some base coat on the nail, and then I almost like cap it, because I put base coat, then I put the glitter, and then I cure it, and then I put top coat on it. So I'm almost like encapsulating the glitter. You know what I mean? Well, you'll see in a second, because here I cure. Oh wait, no, just kidding. I got all the base coat on, and then I'm just putting that glitter on. So I haven't cured my nails yet. And then after I have that glitter on, then I'm going to cure. And I guess you could really do this all the time. Like, I don't know why I haven't done this before, because usually, like, when I file, I tend to file off some of my glitter. I'm going to be using the Jelly Nails gem adhesive, and I love it. Like, it has a precision like you see, it's like precision little needle thing on it, and wherever you want it, it like you just put it. And I actually I love it because one, my gems aren't sliding. Usually like when I do the gem adhesive, like the rhinestone glue, whatever, all over my whole nail, and then I do top coat on it, and then I do the gems, like they slide around. But with that stuff, they didn't slide around, so I think I'm going to be using that from now on. And I'm almost finished. I'm putting top coat on all of the nails, and then I'm going to be doing the Rosalie cuticle oil, and then I'm going to be done. I think I'm going to be posting 2 videos today because I have a lot of gel polishes that I want to swatch, and I want to talk about the Alexis Sharkey case. So I think I'm going to bust out 2 videos today. The next one's going to be a swatching of a whole bunch of gel polishes while I talk about the Alexis Sharkey case. It's so crazy. She's an influencer. She was big on Instagram, and she just got murdered. So I'm going to be following that case. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like this little winter look and my little Christmas intro. But I will see you guys soon. Thank you so much for the love and support. I love you guys more than anything, and I will see you guys later. Bye.